What's up, guys? I'm here with Max and we're here to show you the house. The house is absolutely done. It's taken us over a year. Before I show you the house, let me talk about some really quick numbers. So we got this at an auction. It was a tax foreclosure auction. We got it for $50,000. Now it's probably worth somewhere between $150,000 to $200,000. I should say it will be worth that because we're still gonna put in the windows and the roof. And then at that point, it's going to be about $100,000, well, about $75,000 of equity. Now, here is the entrance, guys. Look at these colors. They absolutely pop. A little bit of natural color on the walls, nice and soft. But there's also a lot of contrast in the kitchen. Bright white, black, chrome, a lot of contrast, and everything is new. This is an epoxy countertop, and if you look down, straight down on the epoxy, you can see some really nice grain on the wood. It really pops. Let me show you some light. There we go. And then everything really comes through. And all the cabinets here are brand new. The countertops are new. The oven and the microwave are used, but everything else is brand new. We have custom slow close cabinets. Everything is really nice. New handles and really nice lighting on the cabinets. Upper and lower lighting really makes the kitchen pop. This was the entryway into the laundry room, which is kind of like a dead space. You can never use that entryway because you always have to go into the laundry room. So what we did is we added a shower on the other side on a half bath, and we moved the washer and dryer out here into the kitchen. The kitchen is a noisy and a service area, so this is just going to add to the noise and the service area into the kitchen. And it should be pretty good. It should be a very functional area for the family. But most of all, the bathroom is definitely more serviceable on the other side, and we'll show you that in a minute. Now this area was like an additional living room. There was no door, and it was just kind of a weird space because the house is so small, but then there was another living room. So what we decided to do was we added this door. It's a 36-inch door, so you can get a refrigerator, couch, whatever you want in and out of here really easy. But because there's a door now, it's a bedroom. It's considered a 4-bedroom now instead of a 3-bedroom. And these closets were already here. So again, this space was like not really functional because it has these big closets, but it wasn't a bedroom because there was no door on it. So we just added the door, and now we have a 4-bedroom. This was an aluminum, super ugly sliding glass door. We bought this kit at Lowe's. It was on sale. We assembled it, put it together, and there's blinds inside the door. Coming out to the patio. We are having a perfect day out in Ohio today. The windows and the glass are clean. Here you can see there used to be a window here. We took out the window so we can add a shower on the other side. We blocked it off, and this should clean up a little bit better, but we're not going to worry about it right now. And really nice space, enclosed patio, get away from the sun, but also enjoy the beauty of Ohio. All right, let's go check out the bedrooms. We're gonna come in here. Now look at this floor, guys. This is vinyl floor. Every piece had to be put in one by one. It is really a long task to sit here on your hands and knees and to hammer in and to slide in every piece one by one. But here is a little closet, another little closet. If you look in the bathroom, you're going to see everything is new here. We have a new fiberglass shower. This is a 1-piece shower, and this is really reliable, old-fashioned, nothing special here, just new white color, and everything here is really fresh and it pops. This wall was completely destroyed. We took it down because there was some rot and there was a vent pipe here that went all the way to the ceiling. Well, it was leaking on the ceiling and it was rusted and cracked at the bottom of the pipe. So we took down the wall, and then once we started taking it down, we just thought, you know, we just got to take everything down and redo everything. All new pipe, all new pipes, all new plumbing, and we busted holes in the concrete to re-plumb and get ready for the new bathroom, the other bathroom, which I'm going to show you now. Okay, now here's the other side of that bathroom, and if you remember me talking about the shower, well, here is the shower. This originally was a laundry room. It was, this was a laundry room over here, and this was a half bath, and there was a wall dividing it right in the middle. So in order to make this a full bathroom, we tore down the wall, we added the wall over there where the kitchen was, and this is all fresh. So this is all new tile. It's not fiberglass or anything. We have a niche, wonderful niche that we got from Amazon. And what I like about this is that the handle is here. You can turn it on. The shower head is over here. You don't have to reach over the toilet. But we have a new toilet, new vanity, new countertop, all new plumbing over here, new lighting, new mirrors. Again, new windows coming in, new doors, ceiling fans, a lot of wiring. We brought the smoke detectors up to code. Before there were no smoke detectors, but now not only are they hardwired, but they're hardwired together. So if one goes off, they all go off throughout the entire house. And here we are in the bedrooms, and all of the bedrooms have ceiling fans. There's 3 switches for each bedroom. There's a wall outlet, a center light, and a ceiling fan in each bedroom. We have new baseboards and fresh blinds. We have the curtain pulls up and the matching ceiling fan. So everything really ties in together. Let me show you the garage. This is a brand new garage door opener. It's super quiet and everything is really clean. If you can imagine, this is the old kitchen. This is the old kitchen cabinets. We wanted to save just a couple of them and use them in the garage. They're still in good condition, but no longer in the kitchen. By the way, I still need to make a video on the Kia Forte, the red one. We did make about $3,000 on it, and that video is coming. I just want to thank you guys for watching, and you guys take care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.